G'day traders, John from Crypto Candlestick Trading. Just doing an update on Bitcoin on the weekly chart. I just want to show you, it seems like we'll get a little bit of movement here, and it's kind of looking exciting if you look on the 4-hour time frame and stuff like that. But let's just have a look and see what's really going on here. So we can see from the high here, I'll just get some. So from the high here, we've got a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, and a lower high again. And previous support becomes new resistance. I'll just draw that out so we can see that. So I've got a high, leg 1. Leg 2, leg 3, leg 4, and all the way down to leg 5, somewhere down there like that. And we'll just draw the line here. So previous support becoming new resistance here. So previous support there, new resistance here. And we've got a lot of indecision there and shooting stars and stuff. So the sort of thing that I'm looking at, so now that we can see we've got, like high, low, low, high, low, low, and we still seem to be moving in that direction there. There's a lot of weakness happening up here, and I'm just going to get rid of those drawings and we'll just have a look at something else. So now that so here this to me just looks like a bear market rally. Looks like we're still going down, but we're going to have some sort of a weak attempt at this stage here because we do have an engulfing here with no volume, and it came up to the 200 and it's just kind of stopped there. And the very next week, which is started today, has pumped up a little bit, and we'll just have to see exactly what this candle does eventually, see what it does. But the sort of thing that I'm after now, like identifying that we are in a bear market, is I'm looking for a weak right shoulder here. And so I'll just draw this out. So let's just say that we're somewhere around here. So we've got a left shoulder, a head, and I'm kind of looking for some sort of a right shoulder there to like some sort of a weak right shoulder there. And if we just have a look at this one over here, like we had one left shoulder there, we had a head over there, and we had a weak right shoulder here that gave us some sort of reversal just at the 50 there, which is perfect. This is the sort of thing I love to short on. Actually, to be honest, I was shorting there. But here, we're kind of, hang on just a minute, I'll get rid of that drawing and go back to my... So we can see over here that we've got, we're in a downtrending market. We've got previous resistance, previous support becomes new resistance, and we've got a head and, so far, looks like a developing head and shoulders at this stage. So I'm looking for some sort of reversal from here. I'll just get rid of all those drawings now so we can kind of do something a little bit different. So the sort of thing that I'm looking for, let's just draw a line up to there, something like that, and we'll just make this one red so that we can kind of see what we're doing. And let's go and have a look at the daily chart just quickly. So here we can see that we've broken above on the daily chart, and like these kind of things here, if we saw, like have a look at that, like that's a massive big volume there, huge amount of distribution there, distribution here, so, and even closing below the 9, then look at the result after that. So that's the sort of thing that I'm hoping for around about here. Whether we get it or not, I don't know exactly how these things are going to play out, but so far it's saying to me that we're in a downtrending market, and it looks like we could potentially be making a right shoulder that could be at a weakened, could be, if you have a look here, we've got a lot of volume that's come into the market here, but the only thing is it didn't hold. We got a good volume pop there, but 40% sold off. I mean, here we've got more volume here, but that's like a spinning top. Here we've got big volume here. That's almost like a shooting star rejection at the 50, and then that's the result we got. It did come down a little bit, but now we've had a good volume pop here, which is good. I do like that. We've gone up, come back one, and now we've gone up again. But we'll just have to wait and see what happens here. Where I'm looking for potential failure of this would be at. Oh, let me grab that again. Potential failure that would be somewhere around here, if we were to get that. So I'd really like to, even if we did pop above that and saw some sort of a shooting star there, or some sort of a shooting star and engulfing closing below this moving average here, I'd probably be looking for shorts. Actually, I would be looking for shorts with my stops above the highs, with a little bit of room to move. Anyway, traders, I just wanted to give my 2 cents on what's going on here with the markets at the moment. To me, it's only okay. There's nothing exciting about this market here to be buying and getting involved here. There's still a lot of indecision and yeah, just not confidence in the market. Personally, it looks to me like that retail traders are pushing this up, and institutional investors are using that as a selling platform to get out. If they pop it up a little bit higher, that they'll be selling aggressively by the looks of it. But anyway, we'll just have to wait and see how it pans out. But that's my target at the moment. If we see some sort of reversal here as a weak right shoulder, I'll be looking for shorts. All right, traders, hope you have a good night. Talk to you again soon. See ya.